Okay, so here's a quick video on how to set up your invoice items for different things. Like let's say you want to price things by car size, for example. So you go into your settings, so admin, go to settings, that's the page I'm on right now. Then you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to go to invoice and estimate items. And so in here, this is where you can have invoice items that'll appear on your estimates as well as your invoices as you type, which makes it really fast. We have them set up here for tinting, for example, at our shop. So we have tinting 2 windows, tinting full SUV versus a car, right? So here's our different pricing. Then we have descriptions as well based on those. You can make these anything. It could be detailing, full sedan, detailing, SUV, whatever you want to call this. And where these show up is on your invoice. So if I click on invoices and then I go new invoice, for example, and I'll just add I have a test customer in here. Oops. Super. There we go. So here's my test customer. And so let's say he's getting his tinting done. I start typing tint and I can see those invoice items now appear. So if I do the full SUV truck, it pre-populates everything for me. Then let's say he's also getting detailing. So I've got engine detailing in here. You can make as many of these as you want and you can put prices or no prices. And then they'll basically show up. So like engine detailing, boom. And then let's just do so mobile stone chip repair, so 80 bucks. So there you go, boom. So it pre-fills everything for you. So that only takes 10 seconds, and then you can just hit save and it's done. So that's essentially how you do it quickly, is with your invoice items. And that's one way to do it. The other way is to set pricing for your packages, which would be under your booking form settings, for example. So if I go down here, here's our main list of services, and we can have prices there, but then we can also do that for packages. So for example here, tinting, once again, we have our coupe, sedan, and we have special vehicles, SUV, truck, so on and so forth, and each have their own different price set. And then what that means now is that whenever we book an appointment, it'll, from the calendar view, the fast way to do things, and I'll go here and let me just find an appointment that actually has something on it. This one has ceramic coating. So if I hit new invoice from here, it's going to pre-populate from our services and packages that were on that invoice. So it'll fill in the pricing and all that stuff. So that's the other fast way to do it too. And so where it grabs that pricing and description is from your settings under here. So that example was the ceramic coating. So under here, this is where you can edit the package and you'll see the description as well as, or sorry, in this case, the service, the description and the pricing and all that stuff. So that's where you can edit that, and then that will appear on the invoice. And of course, you can edit that once it does appear on the invoice. You're not stuck to it. So those are a few ways to do it really quick.